Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya Talking Bot. Today's lesson is titled LLM APIs and Integration, Connecting Your AI to Real-World Applications. Hello developers and future AI builders. You've learned about what AI is, and probably touched on large language models, LLMs, those incredible text-generating brains. But how do you actually make these powerful AIs do things in your apps? How do you build a chatbot, summarize articles, or generate creative content with AI? Today, we're going to unlock that secret, connecting your AI to real-world applications using LLM APIs. Think of it like having a super chef, the LLM, in your kitchen, but now we're learning how to order from their menu, the API, to get delicious meals, AI results, onto your table, your application. Before we dive into APIs, let's quickly remember our friend, the LLM. An LLM is like an incredibly smart librarian who has read almost every book, article, and piece of text ever written. Not only can it understand what you're asking, but it can also generate new, coherent, and often creative text in response. As developers, this is huge. It means we can give our apps the ability to understand human language, write emails, answer questions, brainstorm ideas, translate text, and so much more, without us needing to be AI experts ourselves. Alright, here's a core developer concept you absolutely need: the API. Imagine you're at a restaurant. You don't go into the kitchen to cook your food, right? You look at the menu, tell the waiter what you want, and they bring it back. An API is exactly like that waiter and menu. It's a set of rules and tools that lets your program, your app, talk to another program, like a powerful LLM brain, without needing to understand all the complex internal workings. You make a request, an order from the menu, and the API sends back a response. Your meal. It's the standard way software components communicate. Now, let's combine these ideas. An LLM API is simply the waiter and menu for a large language model. Instead of a chef, you have an AI brain. Instead of ordering pasta, you might order, summarize this article, or write a poem about a cat. When you use an LLM API, your code sends a specific instruction or question. We call this a prompt to the LLM model over the internet. The LLM processes your request, generates a response, like the summary or poem, and the API sends that response back to your code. It's a simple, standardized way to tap into incredible AI power without running the huge model on your own computer. From a developer's perspective, talking to an LLM API is usually done by making an HTTP request, just like when your browser loads a web page. But programmatically, you'll typically use a programming language like Python, JavaScript, or any other, to send data to a specific web address, URL, provided by the API provider, e.g., OpenAI, Google, Anthropic. This data will contain your prompt, your instructions or question for the LLM. The API then sends back a response, usually in a structured format like JSON, which includes the LLM's generated text. It's a continuous send data, get data back cycle, making your application dynamic and intelligent. Let's imagine some simple ways you can integrate LLM APIs. 1. A smart chatbot. Your user types a message in your app. Your code takes that message, sends it as a prompt to the LLM API. The LLM generates a response, and your code displays it back to the user. 2. Content summarizer. A user pastes a long article into a text box. Your code sends that article to the LLM API with the prompt, summarize this article. The LLM returns a concise summary, which your app then shows to the user. 3. Email draft generator. A user inputs a few bullet points for an email. Your code sends these points to the LLM with the prompt, "Draft a professional email using these points." The LLM drafts the email, and your app presents it for the user to review. In all these cases, your code acts as the intelligent middleman, orchestrating the conversation between your user and the powerful LLM API. Congratulations! You now understand the fundamental concept of LLM APIs and how to connect your applications to powerful AI. This is a massive step. From here, you can explore prompt engineering, learning how to craft the best prompts to get the exact results you want from an LLM. API parameters. Understanding options like temperature, how creative the AI is, or max tokens, how long the response can be. Advanced integrations. Chaining multiple API calls, integrating LLMs with databases, or using them to analyze data. The possibilities are truly endless once you master this crucial connection. Keep experimenting, keep building, and remember that with APIs, you're just a few lines of code away from making your applications incredibly smart. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.